Mohamed Ado has lamented that myriad challenges his constituents are facing during these tough times occasioned by drought. Ado, who opened an extra office in Bula Hodan, says that the new office will provide an avenue where the public can direct their needs and thereafter take services closer to the people.
Wajir South is a very vast constituency. It's almost 22,000 square kilometers. And you can understand the distance people have been forced to travel seeking the attention of the Member of Parliament. That is why we decided on 2 different offices for Wajir South constituency. So instead of putting it in Habaswein alone, we decided we just also have to put up an office in Wajir town to take services closer to the people. This is all about providing services to the people, but not just that, because as the MP I also need to know the conditions my people are living under, the problems that they are having, their issues, and having an office here that's manned by staff who are helping the